So welcome back to my channel guys, OJ Marketing. In today's video, I'm here again with yet another amazing strategy you can actually use to start making money right now online in the year 2023 and beyond with CPA marketing. And guys, this is going to be an amazing strategy that can actually get you lots of leads right now to your CPA marketing offers. And you may actually be recording clicks, that is actually a sign for you that you are actually going to soon be recording leads right now. So you can actually use this strategy to get lots of clicks, lot of leads, and also help you go on to boosting your income right now with CPAGrip. So all you actually need to do is watch this video to the end right now to learn this exact same strategy, as you are not actually going to be needing any form of capital. You don't also need to go on to invest in any form of money right now. All you actually need is to just simply watch the video to the end and use your mobile phone and access to internet connection to actually go on to utilizing this strategy right now, because this is also going to be a beginner friendly strategy. And without further ado, let's jump right ahead into today's video. So first of all guys, you want to head on to a CPA marketing platform just like you can see right now, which is the CPAGrip. You can use this particular strategy for other platforms. It's actually going to work, but I'm going to be sticking with CPAGrip. If you don't have an account, click on register. You're going to be brought to this page. Fill out this form appropriately, agree to the terms of services which you can see right now, and click on register and go on to creating your account on CPAGrip. So you can actually see right now that I'm logged into my account, and you can see right here I've actually made some cool cash right now with this strategy today. For you to actually go on to doing so, make sure you do come onto the monetization tools right now. Click on URL file locker, and we're actually going to go on to creating a simple URL file locker right now. So to create a simple URL file locker, you want to just simply click on create URL file locker, and right now you could just simply agree to the terms of services and click on continue, of which you will be brought to a page where you can actually start editing your URL file locker. And guys, I've already created one right now, and I'm going to show you how that actually looks like. So you can see how my URL file locker actually looks like. I edited this name to something like the food niche. I went on to selecting this particular template. You can actually see right now in this section right here, it says complete a survey below to gain access to your free ebook. You can actually go onto this URL section to paste in a valuable link to your audience right now. And for you to actually get a valuable link to your audience, you want to just simply follow this simple strategy. First of all guys, you can actually focus on any niche of your choice right now. And I actually did create a list of cool niches right now that can actually help you, or profitable niches in the year 2023 and beyond. You can see the first niche right now is the digital marketing, the relationship, the personal finance and investing niche, the food and recipes. You can see the blogging and making money online, and the personal development or self-care niches. So focus on one of these niche, and I actually did focus on the food and recipe niche. If you actually go onto maybe this particular platform right now called the freeebooks.net, you will actually see that these are actually platform where you could get free ebooks right now, and go on to promoting right here. So you could actually come right here to this category section, click on non-fiction, and you could then just simply go on to selecting a category of ebook which you want to just simply use. If I select the food and recipe niche right now, it's actually going to go on to taking me to this page where I can actually do a lot of ebooks which I can go on to using right here. And if I do go on to selecting this ebook that is actually having a 5-star rating, I can just simply click on that right now. If I do click on that, it's going to take me to this where I can actually go on to downloading this ebook on my device by clicking on this download icon. Once the ebook has successfully been downloaded on my device, we then want to head on to platforms like the Google Drive right now. If you do head on to platform like Google Drive, just simply click on this new right now, click on file upload, and actually upload that particular ebook on this particular platform right now. Once the ebook has actually been uploaded, supposing this is the ebook, I'm going to click on these 3 dots right here, click on share, and click on share right there again. Once you do that right here guys, this particular page is going to be shown to you, of which you want to change the general access to anyone with the link. So once the general access has actually been changed, click on copy link and click on done. And right now guys, you want to head back to your CPA content locker. So once you're on your CPA content locker right now, you want to just simply paste in that particular link right here in this locked URL section. you can actually then go into the show offer manager, and right now you want to make sure that this country section is on the United States. So if you do select platform like the United States right now, as you can see, this is quite amazing. You want to make sure that the payout is actually from the highest paying offer to the lowest paying offers right now. And if you do that right here, guys, once you are done, just simply go on to clicking on create campaign. And if you do go on to clicking on save right now, your campaign will be created, of which you can see the particular URL file locker right now. Click on get link, and you can then just simply go on to changing this particular link domain right now to something like this right here. I can actually customize this right now, and actually you could see right here I selected the food recipes, and once I do click on change right now, or I could just simply select food recipe right now, click on change, and this has actually been available right now. I can then copy the link and try as much as possible to drive traffic to this link. But you can actually go on to deciding to create a simple landing page right now for this particular offer or this particular ebook right now. You could create a simple landing page using any landing page builder site out there. You could just simply use any landing page builder site, create a landing page, and actually try as much as possible to drive traffic to that. And for you to drive traffic to that, first of all, you can utilize this platform right now, which is called Instagram.com. While on Instagram, you want to go on to creating a brand new Instagram account for this purpose right here. And once you create your account, make sure you do go on to giving your account a cool name, a cool banner, a cool profile photo right now. So just simply fill out all those sections right there. And guys, for your bio section, you want to just simply edit that to your preference and actually do paste in that particular link to your landing page, which is actually linked to your URL file locker. If you do paste in that particular link right now in the bio of your landing page, just like how this person did right here, you want to just simply go on to trying as much as possible to drive traffic to your page. And guys, since your bio is actually going to be directing people to that particular link, try as much as possible to drive traffic to that link right now, just by utilizing this platform or making sure that you go on to posting regularly. And if you intend on posting regularly, guys, you can actually go on to getting content from platforms like TikTok right here. So with TikTok, you can actually go on to getting a lot of cool and amazing content right now, which are quite numerous, and you can actually go on to repurposing those content by uploading that on Instagram. And you are actually not going to be getting any copyright issue right now or breaking any form of copyright law, because this is actually quite acceptable right now. If you do that and you're actually using viral videos, you do get a lot of traffic, and you can actually start making money with that, because once people actually do start clicking or coming to your page, you do start making money once they click on that link, complete an offer to gain access to that particular book. You can actually go on to utilizing this platform also, which is actually called the likeforlike.org. And with this platform, guys, you can actually use it to boost your social media presence using these 4 simple steps right now. So if you actually do that right now, guys, you can actually start making a lot of money using this simple strategy. So why not try out this right now and start making money online? And if you're actually new right here, just simply go to smashing the like button to this video, subscribe to this channel, and make sure your notification bells are turned on all, so that you do not miss out whenever I release much more amazing videos that could be helpful to you in boosting your income online. So see you all in my next video, guys, and goodbye.